Suppose I want $50,000 in my saving account. So how many deposits are required to reach goal of $50,000? I calculate the total number of deposits or total periods by using NPER function. Type positive future value in cell reference E5. Active cell reference E5. First enter $sign. Type 50,000. Press enter key. Active cell reference D5. Suppose I deposit initial amount or the initial investment in my saving account is $15,000. Enter this amount with negative sign because I will deposit this amount in my saving account. First enter negative sign, then enter $sign, type 15,000. Press enter key. Now active cell reference I5. Suppose I deposit $500 per month in my saving account, or I deposit $500 in each period in my saving account. I will deposit this amount in every month, so enter this amount with also negative sign. First enter negative sign, then enter $sign, type 500. Press enter key. Excel shows negative amount in red font color and positive amount in black font color. Suppose I receive interest in my saving account with each deposit at 10% annual interest rate. Active cell reference F5, type 10. Press enter key. So I will receive interest on each deposit 0.83%. To calculate how many deposits or periods are required to reach goal of $50,000, active cell reference C5. Press delete key. Click financial arrow button. Scroll down. Click NPER function. In red box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PMT box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In FV box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Click Home tab. In number group, reduce the decimal places up to 0. Function returns 46 total number of deposits or total periods. I will achieve goal of $50,000 in my saving account after the 46 deposits or after the 46 months. So I will have $50,000 in my saving account after the 46 deposits. To calculate how many years are required to achieve this goal, active cell reference G5, enter equal sign. As there are 12 deposits in 1 year, divide the value of deposits per year to the value of total number of deposits. Click cell reference C5, enter division operator, click cell reference H5. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Decrease the decimal places up to 1. So 3.8 years are required to complete the goal of $50,000. I will receive $50,000 in my saving account after the 3.8 years at the interest rate per month 0.83%. If the initial investment is $15,000 and I invest in each month $500. To verify that the calculated value of total number of periods or total number of deposits is correct, active cell reference F8. Enter equal sign. Multiply the value of deposits per year to the value of years. Click cell reference G5. Enter multiplication operator. Click cell reference H5. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Decrease the decimal places up to 0. This value is matched with this value. It verifies that the calculated value of total number of periods is correct and I will receive $50,000 in my saving account after the 46 months.